Are you looking to level up your online business? Interested in unlocking a new revenue stream? Or maybe you want to build serious authority in your space? If you said yes to any of those, then stick around, because you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Don, and today, I'm excited to introduce you to something that could transform how you handle online business. It's a system designed to boost your authority, automate your daily tasks, and help you create consistent revenue, all with the help of cutting-edge AI technology. And the best part? This system is done for you, and you can have everything up and running instantly. If you've ever run an online business, you know the obstacles. Competition is fierce. Everyone is trying to get noticed, to get those clicks, to drive those sales. Plus, there's the content creation. You need constant fresh posts, optimized articles, personalized outreach, and engaging social media strategies just to stand out. Let's be real, it takes a ton of time and effort. And all that work can easily leave you feeling overwhelmed. So, what if I told you that you could bypass those struggles and jump straight to the good part? The part where you start winning without the grind? Imagine having your own AI-powered team that's ready to work for you 24/7. A team that writes your social posts, optimizes your content, drafts outreach emails, and even generates website copy, all with a few words of input. That's where AI Entrepreneur Fortune comes in, providing a done-for-you AI solution that allows you to take control of every aspect of your business, effortlessly. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in the game for years, these AI tools will help you get the edge you need to become a standout entrepreneur. With AI Entrepreneur Fortune, you'll get 10 custom GPT-powered business assistants right out of the box. Each one is designed to handle specific business tasks to save you time, energy, and help you grow. From SEO articles to cold email outreach, from social media posts to ebook creation, it's all there. No more struggling to come up with engaging content ideas. No more stress about writing perfect outreach emails or wasting time crafting SEO content that actually ranks. With AI Entrepreneur Fortune, you get everything you need in one place, ready to assist you at the click of a button. Not only that, you also get a full year-round social engagement plan, 365 done-for-you social posts that will keep your audience engaged and your brand visible. These posts come with Canva templates so you can make them uniquely yours, but the content is ready to go if you want to start right away. And here's the best part. You're in at the right time. For a limited period, you can grab AI Entrepreneur Fortune with an exclusive launch deal. The price is heavily discounted, but only for a limited time. So don't miss out on this chance to set yourself up with a powerful, AI-driven system that takes care of content, outreach, and growth, giving you the tools you need to succeed effortlessly. With AI Entrepreneur Fortune, the only limit is how far you want to go. Say goodbye to endless content creation, say goodbye to the grind, and say hello to a business that runs with precision and purpose. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below, grab your copy of AI Entrepreneur Fortune, and let's make your online business journey a true success story, one we'll be celebrating together.